After the second wave hit the country in a big way, and especially it hit the oxygen supplies, Mumbai went for a very robust makeover. We have now created 400 metric tons of storage, almost 200 metric tons of manufacturing. We manufacture own oxygen now. At the peak of the second wave, when we had 93,000 active cases in Mumbai and 21,000 people on hospital beds, we were consuming 200 tons of oxygen. Today, we can manufacture all of that of our own. Earlier, our manufacturing was zero. So we have now 54,000 beds in hospitals, and we can stretch it to 100,000 beds. The health infrastructure in Mumbai is so robust that we are prepared for the worst, but we hope for the best.
What about vaccinations and, more importantly, boosters?
Mumbai has one of the best vaccinations anywhere in the world. We have done 108% of first dose of Covishield, Covaxin, and we have done 90% of second dose. And second dose also, the last mile of 10% is left because in India, the gap between the first and second dose of Covishield is 84 days, and people now are due. Otherwise, we have 2.1 million vaccines lying in our stock right now, and we have only about 1 million people to vaccinate. But with this 108% first dose and 90% second dose, I think we are one of the best anywhere in the world in vaccination. And this is the main reason Omicron is not even going to hit us and is not doing the damage. It is breaking through, but the symptoms are so mild that hardly anybody is coming to hospital. People who are getting hospitalized, they're highly comorbid. They come more as a precaution and less as a need. And they also go back on the day 2 or day 3 back home.
Right. And are you looking at expanding that vaccination drive with more therapeutics and perhaps even getting Pfizer down to India? Because I believe the two major vaccines still are Covishield and Covaxin.
We started children's vaccination 15 to 18 years last Monday, and we've already done thousands of children, and we have 4.5 lakh children in Mumbai, and we are going whole hog. We plan to finish the vaccination of children by the end of this month. We have a very detailed program of vaccination, but our Covishield has proved very effective along with Covaxin, and now the supplies are very comfortable. So I don't think we need Pfizer right now.